बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मार्च 31 2024 के अखबार में। तो ये जॉब है द बेनज़ीर भुट्टो शहीद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट खैरपुर मीरस। कॉन्टैक्ट 0243687057, फैक्स 0243920171, ईमेल hr@bpsutst.edu.pk। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट। द बेनज़ीर भुट्टो शहीद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट BDSUTST खैरपुर Mir invites applications from eligible candidates having domicile of the Sindh province for following non-teaching positions. Serial number 1, position number 1, Chief Accountant / Bursar on contract, BPS 18. Minimum qualification preferably first class MCom/MBA Finance/CA/ACCA/ACMA or equivalent. Qualifications from HEC recognized university and 5 years account/finance experience in post equivalent to BPS 17 in a university, board, college, government department and/ or any recognized commercial institution. Maximum age limit or closing date 45 years. दूसरी पोस्ट है अकाउंटेंट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सैलरी ₹40,000 per month for HEC funded project, equivalent to BPS 14, preferably first class BBA/BS Com/BCom MCom MBA Finance/accounting/ICMA/CCA BS Finance/accounting (close) from HEC recognized university/institute, at least 4 year post qualification experience of finance/accounting in government department/corporate sector/reputed private organization, good knowledge of government audit rules, computer proficiency required. Maximum age 35 years. General instructions. Number 1, applicants may apply on prescribed pro forma ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है अवेलेबल ऑन द यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट www.bbsutst.edu.pk अलॉन्ग विद एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेसिंग फीस ऑफ ₹3,000 थ्रू बैंक ड्राफ्ट/पे ऑर्डर इन फेवर ऑफ द बेनज़ीर भुट्टो शहीद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट खैरपुर मीरस। नंबर 2, attach updated CV, attested photocopies of degrees, diplomas, transcripts, CNIC, domicile and PRC and experience certificates with application form and send to registrar on the given address through courier/registered post. Number 3, university reserves the right to reject any/or applications and cancel advertised post without assigning any reason. Number 4, eligible candidates may be required to undergo short-listed process of written/screening test. Number 5, experience means experience gained after required qualification. Part-time, honorary and internee work will not be counted as experience. 6, candidates working in government, semi-government and autonomous organizations must apply through proper channel accompanied by NOC from the employer. Number 7, quota reserved for differently abled women and religious minority persons will be observed as per government policy. 8, applicants lacking prescribed qualification and experience on closing date, incomplete application received after due date and without processing fees will not be entertained. Number 9, age relaxation is admissible as per government of Sindh policy. 10, no TA/T will be admissible for appearing in test/interview. 11, post applied for should be mentioned at top right corner of the envelope. 12, last date for submission of applications is 22/4/2024 by 3:30 PM. Registrar, the Benazir Bhutto Shahid University of Technology and Skill Development, near Civil Hospital Khairpur Miras, पढ़ंती सिंध था वढ़ंती सिंध। Job opportunities, Government of Sindh Health Department, expanded program on immunization EPI, hiring of vaccinators BPS6 contract base, addendum date. अब ये पता नहीं क्या है, मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा, ये भी कोई जॉब ही है, जॉब तो है ये. दिस इज़ विद रेफरेंस टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा भाई. सीरियल नंबर 1, नेम ऑफ पोस्ट वैक्सीनेटर्स BPS6, पोस्ट 455, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज वैकेंट. Positions details mentioned as noted above, advertised and on STS website. Required qualification and experience, minimum academic qualification, matriculation or equivalent qualification from recognized board/university. Preference will be given to candidates having vaccination certificate from recognized institute/board and experience in vaccination certificate. Number 3, age 18 to 30 years, 15 years age relaxation shall be entertained as per rules and policy Government of Sindh. Terms and conditions, those candidates who have already applied earlier and their applications are submitted through courier to STS office, no need to reapply. Note, or other terms and conditions will remain the same. District wise vacant posts and details available on STS web. How to apply? Interested candidates fulfilling the above criteria should fill online form and download the application form along with the prescribed test fee deposit slip from STS website www.sts.org.pk. Pay the screening test fee of ₹510 through prescribed deposit slip on any online branch of designated bank. Attach the paid copy of your original deposit slip with the filled up application form. Application forms improperly filled up, incomplete without paid copy of deposit slip will be rejected. Application submitted by hand will not be entertained. Please send the filled up application form along with original bank deposit slip and educational documents through post or any courier service to Sindh Testing Service, Pakistan. Address mentioned in the form before last date. STS will not be responsible for the late receipt of application sent through post or by any courier service. Project Director, EPI Sindh, Karachi. For further information, please contact www.sts.org.pk. Phone number 021347616117. फ़ोन नंबर 021347616117. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0311103004, 0311103004. सिंध टेस्टिंग सर्विस, पाकिस्तान. डेडलाइन एक्सटेंडेड 25 अप्रैल 2024. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.